Alright. On the way to the meet. Oh shit, race car. Wasn't supposed to show you all that. Okay. So I just got word, cops are at the boat ramp. Now we gotta swap spots. So I guess we're meeting at Kroger now. I got a bad feeling about tonight. Thinking it's not gonna work out, but I guess we'll find out. Where's everybody at? Oh, I can't see shit out these windows, dude. Alright boys, about to run a 700 horsepower stick shift Camaro. Definitely about to get gapped, but hopefully we can just hang in there. I'm not even trying to win, I'm just trying to hang in. So we're gonna see what happens. He is behind us now, and then a C7Z. I gotta take a shit. This ain't good. Maybe it's a nervous shit, who knows? I don't know if I'll put this in the video, but I might cut it off. Who knows? Alright. Gonna put the draggy on in a second. Boys. That bitch was riding. Appreciate it. Y'all about to run? You about to run him? Okay. That car's a little close, but hopefully they can figure something out. I'm sure they'll let off. They're going from 40, so. Oh boy, Cam with the gap. Cam with the gap. Alright, dig spot number 1 has been compromised. We tried to go as soon as we come around the corner, blue lights, boom, light us up. So, we got a snitch somewhere in the group, who knows where. There's a cop in front of me up here, and he is following everybody to the second dig spot. I am not going to take the same way as everybody. Let me pull this up real quick. I think I can go another way. Because they, oh my god, there's a fucking clusterfuck up there. Alright, I am taking a right. I am not going to follow them. Because that cop is looking for something. Alright, that's everybody else. I'm gonna try to race y'all motherfuckers there. Everybody else went left on trimming. I'm going right. We'll see who's there first. You sorry bastards. Alright, well, I beat everyone here. You can park wherever. That thing is fucking loud. That thing is fucking loud.
Yeah. How big of a shot did you run through it?
150 maybe? I don't know. Boy got gassed.
Really? Hey, go to. All right.
Damn, did the Corvette still win?
5,000 pounds.
Yeah.
47. Almost 5.
Woo! That was...
Stand too far back for comfort.
Boy! That looked like a good run.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God!
See the sparks off though? Because that's like a full record.
All right, boys, here we go. Woo! That was good. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. I'm just getting gapped by everybody tonight. What the fuck? Nah, that was good. Alright, we're gonna leave in second this time. Oh, sorry.
Shifted way early.
Well, GoPro died pretty early last night. Didn't get a lot of footage. It's whatever though. Everybody seemed to have a great time. That Q50 was looking for all the smoke. Didn't matter who it was. So I give him credit on that. He had to run at least like 15, 20 times. But yeah. Didn't get to use my sign at all. Because I just kept getting gapped. So fuck. But it's whatever. We had a good time. I'll see y'all boys in Mexico very soon.